Welcome everybody to Big 5 Electronics. I'm here to introduce you to the new MagBuddy wireless charging mounting systems. They actually come in a few different applications. Here we have a MagBuddy wireless charging system that's for your desk. This one is an anywhere system that has an adhesive backing that you can mount pretty much anywhere you need to. And then we have two unique mounting systems right here. One is which is an air conditioning vent system that goes into the slit of your air conditioning vent. And this one is for a CD slot. So if your car comes with a CD slot, you can actually just mount it directly into the CD slot. As most people don't use their CD slots. This is what the packaging looks like. Inside, as you can notice, you open it up. It's got a nice little display here, as well as the magnetic strips that go to the bottom of your phone. Make sure you mount it closer, about an inch away from the bottom of your phone. I've already got one done here. As you can see, my case goes on top of it. You don't really need a case, but it's mounted right here. You can just slap it back onto your case. And we've already got one mounted to the desk. It holds really, really well. It rotates, and you just basically take your phone, you slap it on here. And if you put it on, you just have to make sure the magnetic touches the lower part here. And when you slap it on, it'll go ahead and charge it as well. So this one, we've actually connected it through the USB to an output here, but it does come with a wall adapter, and any of these particular units that are here will mount into your car. If you guys like this video, go ahead and hit like. If you have any questions or comments, let us know, and we'll see you next time.